ऑफिसांनी ओपन केल्लें आहे हांवें सांगलें ऑपोजिशनान ऑलरेडी विशय काडटा सरकार फक्त
तुम्ही एक स्टेटमेंट केलं की आम्ही फ्लोराचा हा
ते माझं ऑप्शन तो सगळ्या गोष्टी
काल एक आणि एक
जनावरांचा एक खूप प्रॉब्लेम चालू आहे तिकडे
सध्या खूप अस्वल होता कारण डेंजरस
ऑलरेडी सांगला फॉरेस्ट PCC आपण रिव्ह्यू करत कितें चल्लां तें पळय आनी जर ते हॅबिटेटेड एरियान जर डिस्टर्बन्स जाता काही लोक बसले तर ट्रँक्युलायज करून सांगला ते काय
yesterday one more protest was there in
I have no idea. Whatever is within the rules and framework of the law will be followed. If there's any violation, we will not allow. As you know that as far as illegal plotting, other things, we have filed several FIRs. Nobody will be spared. Recovery, everything which is there, unnecessary issues are being made when we are already going for the recovery. Whatever the directions of the government from time to time will be strictly followed. We are here to follow rule, regulations and work within the framework of the law. And whatever is in the guidelines, just because there's a protest and somebody protests for a particular reason, I cannot answer that. Neither I can comment on that because whatever is in the guideline, whatever is in the rule, regulation will happen. And whatever there are certain guidelines, they are debated and framed. Some of them are framed in the floor of the house and after thorough debate and deliberation and by law. So whatever is within the rules, regulations, we will go as per that.
Any permission has been given to for that?
For what?
For the construction.
ओल्ड गोवा येतात
म्हाका खबर ना आतां तें हांवें वाचलां तें पळयलां पण कितें आहा जर रुल्स रेगुलेशन एंड फ्रेमवर्क एंड गायडलायन्सचे भितर आहा तर म्हाका आय हॅव टू ऑनर द रुल्स रेगुलेशन एंड गायडलायन इफ इट इज इन वायलेशन ऑफ द गायडलायन यू बी रेस्ट एश्योर्ड within 24 hours I will take action. I have asked for the details. Let me get the details. Kenna unnecessarily somebody spearhead a particular issue, but it is the duty of the government to verify it and then come to the media and whenever on the floor of the house I'll answer.
विदाउट TCP परमिशन खूप सारी इलिगल
हो
कन्स्ट्रक्शन
मी बघितलंय पण ते आता ते लोकल लेवल पंचायत आणि ह्या सगळ्या लोकांनी त्याच्यावर लक्ष ठेवायला पाहिजे आता सगळ्या गोष्टी जर TCPला लक्षात आणलं आमचं वी विल फाईल द FIR and whatever needs to be done. That's why I wanted to actually strengthen the TCP Act further to see that we are able to take strict action on such illegalities and huge penalties. It is necessary. कारण अननेसेसरी तिथं लोकांना वाटतं की TCP परमिशन दिलं TCP दिलेलं नाही पण
एव्हरी टाइम TCP खूप ब्लेम करतो
तुमचा टार्गेट
आमचे मोगान पडले रे सर